Wait, what are you going to call your friend here? What a face. Frosty? Oh, I see. That's a pretty big one. Oh, nice one, Kevin. Nice one. Get those arms up, subscribers. Charlotte, North Carolina, February 26, 2004. This is the largest snow accumulation I've ever seen in the big city of Charlotte since I've been here for 8 years. We easily have 6 inches going on more.
Can I say something?
Say something.
It's a lot of snow.
Is it a lot of snow, Mookie?
Huh?
Is there a lot of snow, Kenan?
It's pouring.
It's a lot of snow out there, isn't it, Mookie?
Yeah, it's snowing on the garden. It's snowing on the chair. And on my bicycle.
What you doing, George?
Stuff on the snow.
What happened? How'd we get all the snow?
I don't know.
The 5th highest snowfall ever in the history of Charlotte since they recorded it, and the 2nd most snow in a 24-hour period. Wait, come over here by your friend. Who is this?
It's huge.
Man, that thing's almost as tall as your dad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get behind her, Chase, just get behind her. Now drive into her, drive into her. Drive into her, lift her ankle up. Lift her ankle up, Chase. Wait, what are you gonna call your friend here? What a face.
Frosty. No,
The
Mookie.
baseball snowman.
Yeah, Frosty's the baseball. Hey, just open. Oh! Please don't do it.
Oh yeah, it's a different story when she's on top, isn't it, George? Oh!
You put my hand back.
Wait, what's in your ear? Something's in your ear. Other side, other side. Turn this way. Let me see it. Here, stand. Go for her legs. Go for her legs, Chase. Go for her legs, Chase. Turn, Chase. I'll get her. Turn, Chase. Get behind her, Chase. Get behind her. Wait, let go, Chase. Let go, Chase. Chase, let go a minute. Let go. Now pull her arm in, Chase. Pull her arm in, Chase. You don't like that, George? Okay, get her. Document that we too in Charlotte, North Carolina, fight the savage beast of weather that has been sent down by the Northland. The people of Iowa have sent their curse upon us. I have made fun of my brother's shoveling expeditions the whole winter, and now it is upon me. Hey, Kenan, let me see your homemade hood. This is called, it'll be something new. It's a sweatshirt hood. Yeah, put snow on the snowman. Is that snowman big, Kenan? Smash it on there. The snowman. Put some snow on that snowman.
I got a big one, Poppy.
Put it on the snowman. Help build the snowman up. He's already melted. He's lost about 50 pounds, I think. Smack it on there. Atta boy.
I like a big one.
Oh, I see. That's a pretty big one, Mook.
Poppy, look. I got both in half.
Nice sharing, kid. Oh, yeah. Wow, he must be on the Atkins diet. Roger Clemens must have been pitching to him and hit him right in the eyes. Whoa.
That was a big one.
Hey, I got an idea. Why don't you do this? Start right back here on the cement and then run as fast as you can right out toward those trees. Fast as you can. Ready, set, go. Run as fast as you can. Run, Kenan. Keep running, Mookie. Faster, faster. Come on, get up. Keep moving, Kenan. Get up. Come on, move your legs. Move your legs. Pump your legs. Come on. Moving fast. Moving faster. Move your legs fast, Mookie. Get out of there. Now jump on the cement and get the snow off. Jump up and down on the cement. Brush them like this, Kenan. Brush them off like that. Yeah, real hard. Hit your hands together. Hit your hands together. Hard, harder, harder. Smack it. Now brush your pants off with your glove. Atta boy. Atta boy, Mook.
I got a big one.
Hey, I got a good idea. Why don't you guys get that shovel and just move all that snow? Is that a good idea? Where? Well, let's find the shovel and keep shoveling. You've done a good job so far. When you get tired, Mookie's gonna take over. Put it over there, atta boy. You're already tired? Okay, let Mookie get tired. Let him do it. Shovel it up. Watch his feet. Lift it up now. Lift it up, boy. Now keep shoveling. We want this whole driveway cleaned out. You guys keep shoveling like this. I'll give you a big old cracker and some tomato soup. Half a cup. Keep shoveling. You've done a good job, boys. You've cleared out a good path here. Ooh, right in the eyeball. Get her up, Mookie. Push it, push it, push it. Get your hands way down. Now lift it up. I'm going to have to get my brother Ken up here. Teach these boys how to shovel. A little bit of weight here. Sagging it down. They say I did the same thing with the strawberry in this food. Grandma Holtz told it to me every day of my life after I got over 21. Good job, Mook. That's the way to do it now. Get her over there. Don't hit Kenan. Attaboy, Kenan. Throw it over there. Good arm, Kenan. Keep working on the arm. Well, boys, should we go in?
Mom.
That's what I wanted to hear. You can put on the snowman, pack it in there. Smash it in. Attaboy. Keep moving that snow, guys. You might have it done by spring at this rate. Dive! Ooh! Get up and do it again. Come back here now. Now run and dive. Ooh! Ooh! Like you're Superman flying. Spider-Man. Ooh! There you go. Hit it! Oh! Oh, nice one, Kenneth. Nice one. Get those arms out. Just drive into it. Oh, nice. Oh, good one, Mookie. What are you doing? Oh. Yeah, that's not Krista. Well, your snow wall's almost gone, girls. No, Judd.
Poppy, can I send this to Mom and Dad?
Well, they'll be back before you're done. They'll be back pretty soon, so they'll be able to see it.
They won't be here on spring break. Poppy, how'd you make this thing?
Just like life, George. A lot of hard work.
Poppy, how'd you make this thing?
Just like life, George. A lot of hard work.